Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the performance of the Alkaline Water Company, ticker symbol WTER, which has been on an incredible run recently, and I'm lucky enough to be up about 100% as of Friday's close. So what do I do now? Do I hold on? Do I sell and take the profits? Or do I add more to it? I'll cover that off in this video, but we'll do a little recap on the moves the company's been making over the last month or so. I did a previous video on this company and why I was bullish about it, which I'll link in the description below for anybody that wants to view it. But first, please give this video a like if you're either a shareholder of this company like me, or if it's a company you're looking into. I'd really appreciate it and it'd help out this channel in a massive way. This channel is all about stock market investing, and I provide real life transparent examples of what's possible being an investor. Provide an overview every month into my portfolio and what I've been buying and selling, as well as dividends received. So if that's something that you like, please subscribe to the channel. The only reason I've blanked this out in the other stocks in this video is that I'd love to do a full 100k portfolio review as and when the time comes, and hopefully that isn't too far away. So what's been happening recently within this company? We'll have a little look just now. There was a bit of drama just before earnings got released, as they didn't file the 10k in time, which spooked the market about this stock creating a decent buying opportunity as it lost about 5% pre-market. Earnings then came out and all was well again. Revenue was up 20% year over year, and they expected to deliver full year revenue of about 62 million, which is a jump of about 35% for the full year. So that would be fantastic if they can hit that. For a growth stock, ideally you're looking for about 25% growth, so that ticks that box. This is older news, but I just wanted to reinforce this partnership given expansion into Mexico could carry some real growth drivers in the coming months. With Mexico having one of the largest consumption of bottled water per capita in the world, with the combination between that and the great products which are excelling in the US, there's every faith that this will continue to do the same in this market. They also expect to expand into Canada in the not so distant future, again another huge market opportunity here. On July 20th, they announced a new distribution agreement with Premier Distribution Services, which gives them access to more than 800 gyms, sports nutrition stores, personal training studios and smoothie bars. This is a good move into the sports industry and should offer good value. But the best part about this article is that they will announce that there's going to be a first broadly distributed traditional marketing campaign later this year with Shaquille O'Neal. This could be a game changer with the pool that Big Shaq brings. I'll show you a brief insight into Shaq's investing background and why this is important. He made about 300 million playing NBA, but now has earned about 100 million through investments since finishing his playing career. He's been in tech companies like Google and Apple, and he's even learned from former Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, which can only be a good thing. He's got experience of running various franchises like Five Guys and Papa John's, which he's the brand ambassador for, as well as being on the board of directors. With his investing background and persona, he should be a huge asset to the company, which I'm sure will benefit both parties in the end. On the 22nd of July, they announced that its bulk 3 litre and best-selling 1 gallon bottles will be added to 5 warehouses of Associate Wholesale Grocers, the nation's largest cooperative food wholesaler to independently owned supermarkets. They serve over 1,100 member companies and over 300 locations across 28 states. The second paragraph mentions that sales are performing exceedingly well, and the best thing about this is the fact that this has all been gained organically with no public advertising, which goes back to the point about how important this deal with Shaq could be. So now we're up to speed with the company. What is the plan with the 2,435 shares I have within this company? This chart is taken from my broker, and I've filtered on where I've bought the company represented by the B, and you'll see that it's been a roller coaster of a journey in only 8 or 9 months, with various jumps up and down 50% in each direction. My advice would be, if you're thinking about investing in this company, please be very prepared as to how volatile this stock can be. For me, I really love the company and the growth prospects, and I've only allocated about 2% of my entire portfolio to it, and the way I'm treating it is it's either going to be a 10x or a zero stock. Whatever way it goes, I'll be holding till the end. In the coming years, this company has the potential to get acquired, and being a penny stock, this could cause dramatic price changes. So to answer the question on what I'm doing with this stock, I'll hold it until it either goes 10x or zero, or if the price hits a meme status via any positive news that comes out being acquired. Just before we wind up the video, I don't want to rain on the parade here, but there is one area of concern which I've picked up on the 10k and I'll have to share with you. The concerns all revolve around cash flow covering operating costs. The top part mentions that the company believes that they have enough cash in warrant exercises to keep them going for the next 12 months as planned. But if plans change due to increased production, they may look to issue shares, which if you're a shareholder like me it would dilute your position, basically decreasing the amount of percentage you own within the company. And the second part is mentioning that there is a going concern that there is substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue as a going concern within 1 year of the financial statements being issued. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's important to show both sides of the coin here, and that's why this stock is a 10x or zero for me. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you're still here, leave it a little thumbs up, and we'll catch up soon if there's any more news on this company, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.